Welcome to my Down syndrome PowerPoint. My name is Brooklyn. I have 6 slides with information on Down syndrome. My first slide is a short clip of Down syndrome. My second slide is over the characteristics and early warning signs of Down syndrome. My third slide is on the causes of Down syndrome. My fourth slide is how Down syndrome impacts the life of the student. My fifth slide is over treatments and therapy that could help a Down syndrome student. And my sixth slide includes my resources and helpful websites for parents and teachers. I really enjoyed this class with you all and hope everyone enjoys the PowerPoint. This is slide 1. This is a video I found on Google, and it's got some Down syndrome kids in there with their parents, and it's very sweet, and I really enjoyed it, so I hope you all do too. It doesn't have anything informational in the video, but it was just very heartfelt and very sweet, and I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. On this slide, I talk about the characteristics of Down syndrome and the early warning signs. In characteristics, I posted poor or decreased muscle tone, short neck with excess skin at the back of the neck, or a flat nasal bridge. The early warning signs, which can only be seen after the mother is at least the second trimester in her pregnancy, they can see the absent or small nose bone, the bright spots in the heart, or the shortening of arm or thigh bone. This slide is the causes of Down syndrome. Normally there are 23 pairs of chromosomes for a total of 46 in a normal human body. Babies with Down syndrome have an extra chromosome, which makes 47 instead of 46, so their body develops differently. This slide contains how Down syndrome can impact the student's life in the classroom. Participation in the classroom includes non-routine activities like field trips. They can be physically and emotionally draining to the student. The student may require additional recovery time for illness. A Down syndrome student gets tired at the end of the day, which may increase frustration, behavioral issues, and processing information. The physical and health conditions that may be included in the classroom for the student is breathing and speech difficulties, problems with mobility and posture. We can help these conditions by allowing extra time to complete tasks and provide increased opportunities for practice. Treatment for Down syndrome students may include speech-language therapy, which focuses on articulation, cognitive skills, and strengthening for the oral muscles, tongue, and lips. Occupational therapy, which improves day-to-day skills necessary for living a healthy life and being successful in society. And physical therapy, because of the poor muscle tone and smaller hands. These are the resources and references from my PowerPoint. Thank you. I hope you all enjoyed.